Next out here is ZTS Zoetis. Just getting some old lines off of here. Zoetis is one of these stocks that's very choppy intraday, so there's not really ever any kind of trend. You have to be loose with your stops if you're looking for a bigger move. So with that in mind, I'm going to go ahead and see what I can possibly look for an opportunity here on the chart. The daily candle looks like a hammer candle at the end of a bull flag. Could still be some consolidation on the way down. However, we do have a fair amount of volume coming in today. Earnings are Thursday before market open. So another day before earnings really come into play for the price action here. People could be waiting. Nobody really wants to push it one way or the other. However, the day before earnings, price action can move quite a bit. So I'll be looking for some bullish continuation here off of this pattern here. Now, because it's so choppy, I'm going to go out here to a little bit of a bigger time frame and see what else I can see. Now, it is setting up in a very noticeable range over multiple days here. Not just a price level, but more of, looks like a descending trend. I'm going to put it right here because this touches here and runs straight across, and nothing's closed above or below until today. So this tells me that there's going to be some breakout traders looking for a possible continuation higher. Now, with that in mind, you also have a potential breakout setting up here. Anything that triggers over this 56.53 will likely trigger over this 56.65 and probably push up higher, at least until the next round number. So that's what I'm going to be going for. Long over, call it 56.51, and I'll put my stop down here just below this previous dip right here. It's 56.29. And if price does confirm and move up, it'll pull this VWAP up with it and allow me to have an even tighter stop loss. I'm not going to use the 8 period right here because the price action is very choppy in ZTS, so it could cross over it and trigger me out and just chop me up a little bit. I'm not interested in that. What I can also see is it looks like we had a bit of a false breakdown. This here was where resistance initially started, and we had the first breakout. So we'll go and throw this line on there. Tested, a little bit of a false breakdown. Tested, put in a new level, a little bit of a lower high, but it broke this trend. Then we had this move down here, broke down, and you can see the volume come in. What happens in those situations is shorts were triggered in. Once it came back up a little above this level, that's when the shorts had to cover because there was no momentum for it to continue down, and thus it pushed the price up. Now this could be a false breakout, and it could go the other way, but I'm leaning more towards the bullish side on this, and I'm going to be looking for a price target, like I said, around 57, just the next nice round number up, and we'll see if it can get up to there. If I can put my note on here.